In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up payment gateways in your online form builder. Having a reliable way to manage transactions is crucial for any online business or organization, whether you're collecting payments for products, donations, or event registrations. So let's dive right in and get you set up. First things first, open up your form builder. If you already have it open, great. If not, go ahead and navigate to your form builder software on your computer or tablet. Once you're in, you'll want to locate the Payments tab. This is typically found in the main navigation area where your form elements are managed. If you're unsure where the Payments tab is, look for icons or labels that might indicate monetary transactions, or check the help documentation available within your form builder for guidance. Once you've accessed the Payments tab, you'll be presented with options to choose your preferred payment gateway. Some of the most popular and widely trusted platforms you might consider include PayPal and Stripe. These gateways offer secure and efficient ways to handle financial transactions online. Take a moment to decide which payment service best fits your needs based on your customer base and your business requirements. Both PayPal and Stripe are excellent choices, offering user-friendly interfaces and robust security features. After choosing your payment gateway, it's time to connect your account. This step is crucial as it links your form directly to your payment gateway, ensuring that the transactions are seamless and funds are properly transferred to your account. For this step, you'll typically need to provide information like your gateway account credentials. If it's PayPal, you will enter your PayPal account details. For Stripe, you might need user keys or authorize the connection by logging into your Stripe account. Make sure you have these details readily available to avoid any hiccups during this process. Once you have successfully connected your account to the form builder, it's important to save your settings. Look for a Save button, usually located at the bottom of your form builder interface. Saving ensures that all the configurations you've set up are recorded and will be applied the next time someone uses your form to make a payment. It's always a good idea to double check that your changes have been saved correctly by either testing the form yourself or verifying the settings again. And there you have it. You've successfully set up a payment gateway in your form builder. This process will enable smooth transactions, providing your customers with a secure way to complete their payments. Remember, keeping your payment settings updated and securing your accounts are essential steps in maintaining a professional and reliable service. Thanks for tuning in today, and happy form building.